First, unpack the product box. Step 1. Remove the PCB from the original car key. Step 2. Open the KDBZB. Click Learning Center. Click Help Center. Click Wiring Diagram for original remotes. You can view the car key wiring method. Follow the wiring diagram to solder the PCB properly. After soldering, insert the adapter cable connector into the corresponding trigger connector. Place the soldered PCB into the PAK09. Close the back cover. Power button. Short press once, then long press for 3 seconds. Indicator light flashes, indicating successful power on. Step 3. Generate the corresponding program for PAK09 to add one more physical car key. Support to be generated with KDBZB series remotes. After placing the KD remotes unit to be generated into the KDX4, open the KDAPP, click Remote Function. Click Vehicle Remote. Select the corresponding remote control program. Click Generate. Click Wireless Generation. Generation successful. Function demonstration. Click Settings in the top right corner. Click Device Management. Click this icon to start searching for devices. Select the pack kit you want to connect. Enter the initial password, which is 6 zeros. First-time pairing requires password modification. Start adding the key. Click Settings in the top right corner. Scroll down and click Key Management. Click Enter Matching Mode. Before the countdown ends, press any key on the remote to add the key. Addition completed. Test frequency.